thutha wa arũmĩrĩri na mafans ake gũkorwo magĩteta mũno na kũmũthingĩrĩria mũno acokie makiuga nĩ maramũmici mũno amatigire ũguo she left them hanging maitigo makĩyũria karĩ kĩgĩathiĩ na mbere. Rĩu Muthoni wa Mukiri nĩ aiguĩte mateta ma arũmĩrĩri ake na mũthenya wa ira nĩ arakorirwo agĩtĩka mwĩto wa arũmĩrĩri acio na kũgerera nenda ciake cia ũkinyanĩria nĩ ararekereirie ndũmĩrĩri akiuga the wait is now over. Nĩ arĩkĩtie gũcoka na nĩ aramahoya ũrekeri for that time that she has been away na agatarĩria nginya gĩtũmi gĩake gũkorwo missing in action. Na kũgerera Instagram page yake nĩ arakorirwo akĩrekereria ndũmĩrĩri ĩno akĩ-address mafans ake akĩmera the wait is over, see you at 3 p.m. on YouTube. Na aracoka ararekereria ĩngĩ akiuga back on YouTube, where have I been? And then she had a caption that read, I am back on YouTube. I am super excited to be back on YouTube after taking a break for a while. Where have I been and what's in store? Watch out for more new and fresh content. Subscribe if you haven't already. Video premieres at 3 p.m. Link in my stories. Hurry up and click a reminder. Na mafans ake maihũrĩtwo nĩ gĩkeno kĩingĩ mũno nĩ marateng'erire mwena wa YouTube channel-inĩ ya Muthoni wa Mukiri kũmũ welcome back. Karen Sharon akiuga I miss you so much. Aracoka arauga I am happy to see you back. Shirokoi, welcome back. Hilda Chep, welcome back. Have missed you. Asha Fiti akiuga welcome back. Ona mwena wa Instagram marauga we are missing lots of wisdom from you, waiting for you. Welcome back Muthoni, we missed your content. I am glad to see you back. Stay healthy and blessed. Pale YouTube Friday sijui tutafanya welcome back party. Baraka, yay, love you so much. You helped me break up with a narcissist. Happy to have you back finally. I really missed you. So glad you are of good health. Didn't know you were unwell. Wish you good health, peace, love and prosperity. I so love you. See you Friday. Muthoni wa Mukiri nĩ aramaumbũrĩire gĩtũmi gĩake gũkorwo missing nĩ ũndũ she was down with a flu. Ndarakoretwo akĩigua wega and that's why she had taken a break of everything. No rĩu nĩ acokereirie and she has promised that she has a lot in store for them. In fact, arauga it's going to be a marathon from now onwards. Koguo kũrĩ mafans ake othe, be sure to stay tuned cause Muthoni wa Mukiri is back. Ndũkariganĩrwo gũsubscribe for the best and latest Kikuyu celebrity news.